Hi all, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the Australian and New Zealand dollars versus the US dollar in here, and looking at broader, bigger picture range environments, but certainly negative pressures for both the A dollar and the Kiwi dollar in here versus the US currency within those broader range environments, and real risk of a shift to a more bearish theme. So for the Australian dollar, US dollar here, we still see this range theme between 73.82 and 69.36, but certainly the erosion, the losses we've seen in here since the middle of October through into early November, back from ahead of this downtrend line in here, all pointing the market lower going into both the balance of this week and then through next week and into the end of November, and likely on, and then we feel going into early December. Should we break 69.36, which is our favoured view of the breakout from the range going into the second half of Q4, it would then re-energise a far more bearish theme than going into year end. For the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, if we zoom to that now, this top-in structure that was completed in early November with a break of these lows here at 66.15 and 66.20 and this little neckline, that top-in structure negating bullish pressures, reinforced by the reversal down through the trend line, and now this little downtrend that we have again from mid-October through now into mid-November, favouring a negative bias within the range defined by 68.97 and 62.32. Certainly looking for a move into the lower part of that range, and again real risk going into late November and then through into early December for a challenge to 62.32 and potentially for a far more bearish shift then again going into year end. This has been Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.